What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this one, we're going to be doing a little bit of a front end upgrade on our 3rd generation Tundra. We're going to be swapping out that factory matte black front bumper cover for the Pro Camo one here from Yota Xpedition. If you guys want to pick this up for your Tundra, link is down in the description, but let's go ahead and hop into the install. All right, so we have a trim prying tool. This is the only thing you're going to need to get this front bumper cover piece removed. So we're just going to take this, we're going to put it right here in the middle, give ourselves a little bit of room to get our fingers in there, and start pulling out these clips. There is a bunch of clips that run around the whole perimeter of this. Let's go ahead and pop all these out. You can see here all the way at the end, there is a lip that does sit underneath this piece. You will have to pull it back a little bit in order to get that out. So we got that OEM piece removed, pretty simple. Now, if you are looking to do a lighting upgrade, this is definitely the perfect time to do an upgrade on your fog lights. You only have 2 Phillips head screws here and a plug, and these can be swapped out very easily. We have a couple of different install videos and different styles of fog lights. We'll put some down in the description, but now we'll go ahead and get the new Pro Camo front bumper cover on. So we'll go ahead and tuck in our corner first to get that lip underneath that side piece. Now, you do have a lot of clips in here, so just make sure everything is lined up. You have a really long one here on the bottom that can easily get bent and moved out of the way, so make sure that that is lined up and in place. Over here again, we have to tuck this side in. There we go. That's it. All right, guys, there you have it. Quick and easy mod for the front end of your 3rd gen Tundra. If you guys have any questions about this product, make sure to drop a comment down below. And if you want to grab this for your Tundra, make sure to head over to yotaxpedition.com. Link is down in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.